Here at the California building here in Stockton, California. Look at this. Holy work. I think that one might be broken. Wow. Freaking gorgeous lobby. Yeah, I think it's off. Yeah, that's way off. What the hell? I mean, it moves. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Yo. This cab is... Oh. Capital elevator modernized. Wow, this cab is gorgeous. Uh-oh. Oh no. That one had its doors replaced. Look at this. The freaking OTIS globe down there. These cabs are super freaking hot. Man, this woodwork. I wonder, this has to be original. But it looks so nice. Let's see if the other one works. It's sitting right here. Ew. Alright, well that's fucking disgusting. Yeah, this one's nasty. This one was like totally replaced. Wow. I wonder why they spent more money on this one. Unless... What? Maybe this one was already modded before. Because that looks like an older door track. So maybe the other one was like a manually controlled one, and then this was the one that passengers could use. I know some buildings do that sometimes. This cab is pretty freaking boring. Look at the original... that parquet board underneath the tile. Didn't even keep the hose.